Hello everyone, this is Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate pizza sticks. My kids actually said they taste better than Little Caesars. So what you do, and these pizza sticks, all 6 sticks together are not going to have, they're going to have 3 net carbs total. So each stick is only a half a carb. So this is the Garlicaholic bread mix that you get on Healthy Treats Market. Notice this has 2 carbs, and all you do, you follow the directions on the back, okay? You add the mix with 1 egg, but instead of 2 tablespoons cream, you're gonna add a 1/4 cup. So you can do a 1/4 cup cream or a 1/4 cup half and half, whatever you want. You just want this bread mix to be slightly more runny. So you're doubling the amount of liquid in it, okay? And I have a commercial corn dog maker. You guys can buy the residential corn dog makers and you can make the best pizza sticks with this. So here we go. Here's my mix, okay? And then now I'm gonna go over to my corn dog maker. I've already had it on. I'm gonna open it up, see how it's steaming? I'll do it on this side. And I'm going to just spray it. Okay, and then I'm going to pour a little bit of the liquid in each one. So you can get about 5 or 6 pizza sticks in this corn dog maker. Like I'm gonna probably get 6. You can stretch your mix out to get 6. See that? Pretty full. Then what you do is you add your toppings. So you're gonna add the liquid. You're gonna add, this is pizza sauce. These things are delicious, guys. They're absolutely delicious. And this is how easy it is. And this, I mean, oh my goodness, you can have 6 pizza sticks for a meal. Then you do a little bit of bacon bits. And you don't need bacon bits if you don't want them. They just make it taste way better. I just sprinkle cheese all over the thing. And then when I top it with pepperoni, and I use the turkey pepperoni, when I top it with pepperoni, it kind of makes everything not stick. And I just put 1 on the top and 1 on the bottom. And I'll put it down for about a minute, guys. So the timer went off, so these are done. I'm just gonna try to get them out. I kind of got to roll them one on another because the cheese made them all get stuck to each other. But watch this. Whew, it's hot. Look at that, guys. These are delicious, and you're eating a healthy meal, you're eating a detox meal, you're gonna lose weight, and you can even dip them in a teeny bit of ranch, you know, just to feel like you're eating something that's not good, but it's so good and so healthy for you. And this whole entire thing has 3 net carbs altogether. And if you want to make it low fat, I can teach you how to do that too. But this is with the garlic bread mix. And thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com and place your order today.